Hi and welcome to this tutorial on how to make an ear hook with a longer back. I'm just using 0.7 mil wire today and I'm measuring that out to, I've got a 5 centimeter piece here. I'm just going to grab my round nose pliers and bend a loop. Just grab the end and wrap it around. You can't see what I'm doing, but I'm just making a loop there. I'm not going to bend it backwards. I kind of like it to stay this shape, and then I'm just straightening it up. You can see it got a bit off center there. So once that's done, I'm just gonna grab the end of it and wrap it around anything round. I'm just using a paintbrush for this, and start close to the eye we just created and just wrap the wire around it until you've got the shape that you like, and then just straighten it all out. And that is pretty much it. That is a really simple ear hook with an extended back. I hope this was helpful, and thank you so much for watching.